Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the default font on Windows. Customizing your system's appearance can significantly enhance your user experience, making your computer feel more personal. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you understand each part. This guide will help you achieve a fresh look for your operating system, giving it a unique touch that reflects your preferences. Before making any changes, you'll need to select and install your preferred font. There are many excellent free and paid font resources available online. Once you've downloaded your font, simply right-click the font file and select Install to add it to your system. Remember the exact name of this new font, as you will need it for the next step in our process. Now, let's dive into the registry editor, which is where we'll make the crucial change. Open the registry editor by typing Regedit in the search bar. You'll navigate to a specific key related to fonts. Here, you will create a new string value, entering the exact name of your chosen font. After saving your changes, a quick restart of your computer will apply the new default font across your system. It's always wise to back up your registry before making any modifications. If you ever wish to revert to the original Windows default font, simply return to the same location in the registry editor. Delete the string value you created earlier. After deleting the entry and restarting your computer, your system will automatically revert to its original default font. This ensures you can always go back if you change your mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.